Oh, crap!
I love it.
All right, good video. We have an idea. It's a fitness app. It's going to be great. We're going to do it fast. So I was watching YouTube, came across Ashley Jenkins and The No. I was watching a video of their podcast. They came across an interesting problem.
We need to talk about gamification of fitness because I basically don't know how to do anything without rewards. My go-to used to be in front of the treadmill. I've got set up a TV and it's got like a little shelf so I can have a console there so that I could be walking. I can't walk at full speed and also play games. And I also can't play anything in first person.
Because then you turn in your exercise.
Because then, yeah, like I've tried that and like walked myself off the treadmill. My fitness is just good enough that I get much more benefit from running than I do from walking for a couple of hours. So I gotta find other ways to gamify my fitness.
Okay, so combining video games and like exercise machines is an awesome idea. I've never thought of it. It's really cool.
But most pieces of exercise equipment would not be good for gaming.
No.
And we've thought about this. So,
yeah. So we've got an idea.
I think you just need to watch the demo. I think you need to watch the prototype. We made a prototype within a few hours.
Yeah.
We didn't actually have to code anything. We just leveraged existing software.
This is what it looks like.
All right, this is HIIT Gaming. We've set our alarm clocks to go off pretty soon and to snooze 2 minutes at a time. They're staggered by 1 minute, so our alarms shouldn't go off at the same time. When the alarm goes off, we have to do whatever it takes to get our heart rates into zone 4, and then we can go back to playing the game. Ready?
Ready.
Oh, shit. Ah, crap.
Go now.
What am I doing? There we go. That's on, baby. Okay. All right, let's do this.
Okay.
Coming over that. Oh, they're close. Where are they? There they are. Come on, baby, come on.
I gotta go.
Where are you? Oh, they got me. Oh. Back.
They hit me. There's one left.
I'm back, where are you?
I'm down in the bunker.
They're up this way, let's take it to them. Oh, sheesh. Oh. I'm running.
You're up.
I know, I gotta get the cover. I'm at cover, can you hold out?
Yeah.
Hold out. Oh! No, I'm not in cover. Oh, now I'm in cover.
I'm trying to get him off me.
You gotta hold him off me. How you doing? I'm orange. You got orange. Oh, come on.
Oh shit. He's off with me.
Oh God, oh my God. He's smoking. Come on, baby, come on. Got him.
You got me?
Got him. Oh, got him. Oh no! Okay, I'm orange. Look for hearts. That's you. I'm going for that.
Okay.
The top one.
Oh crap.
Oh my God.
Oh no.
Is that me?
It's you.
Oh my God, I'm choking. I can't even shoot straight.
Quick. You got.
Oh, I gotta give myself a chance. Oh, that's a cliff. Oh my God. I can't. Oh my God, it's over. Oh, come on, baby. Come on. Are they on top of me?
Oh my God.
Oh my God, no. Right? It's the greatest thing.
How does it work? Tell him.
They haven't seen that unless it's in the outtakes.
No, it's in the intro.
If you want to know what she's alluding to, if you want to know that inside joke, you got to check out the outtakes.
Oh, yeah.
Patreon.
Oh, right. Okay.
Patreon, that stuff. Okay, so I just want to address something here. I know there are millions of people out there watching this thinking that's stupid. It's not stupid. Shut up. If we've got millions of people thinking it's stupid, that means we got millions of people watching this. You people are stupid. So basically, we just took an alarm clock app and set it up to buzz every 2 minutes with a snooze of 2 minutes or something like that. We staggered it, 2-person play. We tested this. We did it with 1-person play. We did it in different places with different games. We haven't tested a lot of games, but first-person shooter is definitely a good one.
Yep.
Massive multiplayer first-person shooter is even better.
Yep. But we worked out like the key is that the person playing it is like really immersed and really enjoying themselves doing something. It could be anything. It could be a video game. That's where we're going. I could equally imagine them working on some music that they're creating. The key is just that they're really like mentally immersed in it.
So we know this is a first world problem, and this definitely is starting to look like a first world solution. Video game console plus smartphone plus whatever. But you got to start somewhere, and you got to work your way up to the really big stuff. So we're going to start with this.
Yeah.
So what's our plan? We have one tiny problem with this. What is it?
We don't know how to code yet, but we have a plan.
Now let's take a second to talk here. We don't not know anything about programming. What do we know? You tell me what you know. What could you do right now if I asked you to go write computer code? What could you do?
I can create a D3 diagram.
Yep. What does it explain to them what that means?
Okay, it's a way of interacting with a visualization built from data.
D3 stands for data-driven documents.
Yep.
It's a JavaScript library. So you have to know a little bit of JavaScript code. She doesn't know JavaScript code. Yeah, she fiddled with the open source code that's out there, and she can do things. Go to the TLC page on our website, and you'll see the force diagram that connects everything, nodes and links. She did that. But she didn't write it from scratch. She used the library, and so she knows a bit of JavaScript code. For me, the equivalent is C programming. I think if you held a gun to my head and gave me enough time, I could probably write Hello World in C, and that's about it. So, and Hello World, if you don't know, is like the standard first program to write in any language that you start. Although we're never going to do it. We're never going to do Hello World because we hate it, or I hate it. Do you hate it?
I do.
I hate it. It's the worst program.
Yeah.
Here's the thing.
Let's do something exciting, like
you're getting started in something difficult, like learning a programming language. Let's start with something that's boring and not worth doing. Good idea, teach. I'll see you after class to study up on this one.
Yep.
We're going to start with the iPhone app. We're going to start with assembly to get to the iPhone app via C and Objective-C. Objective-C, and we might use Swift. Swift is another language that might be good for writing iPhone apps. We're not really sure yet. And then once we get some momentum on the iPhone app, we're going to, or maybe we'll finish the iPhone app before we go over to Android, and then we'll do the Android app.
So
what's coming up?
Oh my God. So
Go.
Stop.
All right. No.
So coming up, we're going to talk about.
No, don't look down. You can't look down.
You are the one that's making me do it in order.
Doing anything.
Oh my God.
First principles, computing language.
So coming up, we're going to talk about first principles, computing, and languages. Watch them. Not him.
Those are videos. Each one of those is a video.
Yeah. Yeah, no shit.
Well, they don't know. It might be one video. It's going to be 3.
If you've got the money and you're not a patron, you are doing it wrong.
So wrong.
You can get the Smack book for $2.
Smack book.
Outtakes for $5.
Outtakes.
And the con call for $8.
Con call.
Like, the audio is not brilliant.
Great. Okay. Welcome, everybody, to the party. Good meeting, everybody.
Come get it.